Hello friends, I am Professor Nancy Consagra and we are studying the subject cyber law and ethics. In current going session, we are studying about the cyber ethics. In cyber ethics, we already study about why we need cyber ethics and what kind of the rules and regulations we follow to maintain the ethicality, as well as how ethics plays an important role in information society and how to secure our information society in an ethical way. So next topic in this is ethical issue in AI and core principles. So as you know, artificial intelligence, AI stands for the artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence is taking, or you can say a new next generation of the computers or our infrastructure. क्योंकि so many things nowadays are going to be dependent or might be in future going to depend on the AI. So how ethical issues comes into the artificial intelligence, or you can say कि what are the ethical issues in artificial intelligence, and what kind of the issues main questions comes into the AI under the ethicality, or how ethics of the artificial intelligence works and what the things are coming into this. So before understanding that, let's understand how AI is our future. So optimizing logistics, detecting fraud, composing art, conducting research, providing translations. Intelligent machine systems are transforming our lives for the better. As the systems become more capable, our world becomes more efficient and consequently richer. Tech giants such as the Alphabet, Amazon, Facebook, IBM, Microsoft, as well as the individuals like Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk believe that now is the right time to talk about the nearly boundless landscape of artificial intelligence. In many ways, this is just as much as new frontiers for the ethics and the risk assessment as it is for emerging technology. So, which issue and conversation keeps AI expert up at night? So, if we talk about what are the ethical issue in artificial intelligence, so AI presents the three major areas of ethical concern for the society: privacy and surveillances, bias and discrimination, and perhaps the debate's most difficult philosophical question of the era, the role of the human judgment. Said Sandel would teach a course in the moral, social, and political implications of the new technologies. So कौन से ऐसे एथिकल इश्यूज है जो वर्क प्लेस पे आ सकते हैं? Unethical leadership, having a personal issue with your boss is one thing, but reporting to a person who is behaving unethically is another thing. Toxic workplace culture, discrimination and harassment, unrealistic and conflicting goals और question use of the company technology. So ये सारे ethical issues है जो workplace पे भी occur हो सकते हैं while we are working under that, और कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस है if we are moving towards the AI, क्योंकि AI taking place a huge part in our next generations. So over socialization मीन्स न्यूज़पेपर्स है, सिनेमाज है, रेडियोज है, टीवी, गेम, सोशल नेटवर्क, ये सारी जगह पे आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंट अपना एक नई जगह बना रहा है. एनफोर्सिंग द ग्रुप थिंक एंड लेक ऑफ द टाइम फॉर प्राइवेट डिप थिंकिंग. Because of all of these things, the creativity of the person is going to mislead somewhere, breeding isolation between diverse views and thus leading to an unrest, violation and misunderstanding. So for that we need some ethical issues कि जो हमारा फ्यूचर आने वाला है विद द आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, उसमें कहीं ना कहीं एथिकलिटी होगी जिसकी वजह से ये सारा टच हमसे छूट ना जाए. सो दैट इज एन वन थिंग. सो कौन से ऐसे एरियाज हैं, मेजर एरियाज है जहाँ पे एथिकल आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंट आने के बाद वी हैव द डाउट कि इन सब का क्या होगा. फर्स्ट वन इज बायस कि इज इट AI is fair. Second area is liability, who is responsible for AI. Third thing is security, which is major concerning how do we protect access of AI from the bad actors. Fourth thing, human interaction, we will stop talking to one another. Fifth one is employment, is AI getting rid of the jobs? Sixth one is wealth inequality, who benefits from AI? Seventh one is power and control. Who decide how to develop AI? And the last one, robots' rights. Can AI suffer? So this type of the issues comes under the artificial intelligence. क्योंकि artificial intelligence technology means so many things are going to be depend on the machines like laptop है, robots है. उन basically you can say that कि रोबोट्स है वो ह्यूमन की प्लेस लेने वाला है. सो दिस आर द कंसर्निंग फील्ड कि जिसके बारे में हमें वरीड होना चाहिए कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंट अगर आ रहा है तो उसके क्या कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज है और उसको हम कैसे हैंडल करेंगे और उसको अगर एथिकली वे में कर रहे हैं तो एथिकल इश्यूज के लिए क्या क्या चीजें हैं इन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंट. ओके, सो एथिक्स ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंट है वो अगर हम एक पर्टिकुलर टर्म में बात करें, सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द डिजिटल हेल्थ की डेटा प्रोटेक्शन एंड मोर. अगर डिजिटल हेल्थ के कंसर्न से अगर इफ वी आर टॉकिंग, सो उसमें वो कैसे उसका पोर्शन होगा. सो जो आपका एथिक्स ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंट है दैट इज वर्किंग टू वेज. वन इज सुपरवाइज लर्निंग एंड अनदर वन इज अनसुपरवाइज लर्निंग. Now supervised learning means learning those tasks that the user is able to perform very well, and unsupervised learning means learning those tasks in which the user has limited ability in success. uh, we are learning two things, supervised learning and unsupervised learning, and with that we are also going to focus in the digital health about empathic marketing. Empathic marketing is about the highest benefit that use the AI will take to the healthcare. उसके बाद still lack of the research and clear evidence. And the next step would be AI in the healthcare should be adopted only when there is evidence that it improves the efficiency of clinical outcomes. तो उसके जो प्रिडिक्शन और प्रोग्नोसिस है उसको लेके क्या चीजें सामने आ सकती है कि इंक्लूजन ऑफ द प्रिडिक्शन एंड प्रोग्नोसिस टू द स्पेसिफिक पर्पस दैट इम्प्लाई मेडिकल डिवाइस सर्टिफिकेशन. Seconding, increase in the risk of the classification for software as medical device, and also for the software need for clinical evaluation and post market surveillances. We can keep an eye on this कि अगर ये हम सिर्फ एक एरिया है जो डिजिटल हेल्थ का उसके बारे में अगर हम सोचे तो ये सारी चीजें हैं. बाकी बहुत सारे एरियाज है जहाँ पे हम एआई का यूज ला सकते हैं और अभी करंटली माइट भी पॉसिबल कि ये ट्रेंड की वजह से चल भी रहा है, उसमें रिसर्च हो रहा है, उसमें एनालिसिस हो रहा है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट तरीके से उस पर वर्क हो रहा है कि किस तरीके से हम उसको किस चीज के लिए प्रायोरिटाइज कर रहे हैं. सो एथिकल इशू और क्या हो सकता है हमारे आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस में रिगार्डिंग प्राइवेसी की लॉस ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल यूनिकनेस, पॉसिबल फैटल एरर और डिस्ट्रॉय द ह्यूमन क्रिएटिविटी. जैसे मैंने बोला कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस मीन्स की रोबोट का टाइम. तो विद दैट पॉसिबिलिटी है कि जो ह्यूमन की क्रिएटिविटी है उस पर इशू अकर हो सकता है. फिर यूनिकनेस, इंडिविजुअल यूनिकनेस है उस पर भी प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ द थिंग्स कम्स अंडर द एथिकल इशू इन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. अपार्ट फ्रॉम प्राइवेसी, सिक्योरिटी इज एन अनदर कंसर्न कि फेटल हैकिंग है, साइबर वेलफेयर है, स्मार्ट बॉम्ब्स है, किलर रोबोट्स, सोलाइडर्स और कॉप्स और द ड्रोन्स. वी ऑलरेडी अवेयर अबाउट द टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफ द ड्रोन्स, बट अगर उस टेक्नोलॉजी को हमने सही से यूज नहीं किया then that technology overcomes the human power, and that would be a security concern कि उसकी वजह से हमें क्या देखना पड़ सकता है. राइट, ड्रोन्स इज जस्ट स्टार्टिंग. बहुत बड़े इमेजिनेशंस है जिसको लेके हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं इन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. नो डाउट इट इज एन वेरी गुड सेक्टर, एंड विद दिस सेक्टर वी कैन make our life quite easier and efficient, but with that our security concerns also increases. So we have to be secure about what things we are going to use. Then replacement of the humans, जैसे मैंने बोला कि ये चीज है that is regarding the robots, right? So replacement of humans, what kind of things are possibilities ki utility functions may not be necessarily at proper level, world, national, regional or a social group, or accountability is diffused, autopiloted car in accident, smart medicine failing, collateral damage by robot soliders, racism, discrimination by smart loan decider. Okay, so this kind of the things are also might be possible. We might be so many people are aware about this, or might be so many people are not aware about this, but in the market in 2021, so few models of the car is already available which is autopiloted, and because of that autopiloted cars, few accidents are also happened. So that is an issue for the human. If we are replacing humans with this type of the technology, then what are the chances to happen? After that, understanding the human intelligence via simulation with AI, मीन्स बोल सकते हो कि ह्यूमन ब्रेन की जो कैपेसिटीज है या तो जो इंटेलिजेंस है उसको हम एक मशीन में इम्प्लांट करेंगे विथ सिमुलेशन ऑफ एआई. सो what things we are talking about ki even at a very broad level, how much do we want to know about us or any limit? So behavioral philosophy or a Skinner training paradigm or superior race of the eugenics. So these things comes into that level कि कहाँ तक हम सोच सकते हैं आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंट में कि क्या क्या किस किस फील्ड में इश्यूज हो सकते हैं and how we can overcome them. Then our knowledge is always an increasing but finite approximation of infinite truth. So be careful in what we do with this knowledge. Engineers always face this, design the car in such a way that uh, that when its battery it's not trustworthy, we can replace with a different battery type. So that is an one type of the suggestion in ethical issue which we should follow in the artificial intelligence. Then rights of AI कि कौन से टाइप के राइट्स हम उनको देना चाहेंगे कि जो हम Siri यूज करते हैं, can I insult Siri? Is that a type of the right should be given to them? Or we feel for any complex systems, cars, pet, robots, okay? कि क्या उनको feelings हो सकती है? So this type of the things, rights of AI के अंदर आएंगे, and that is an part, might be an part of this ethical issue with the artificial intelligence. Our value system is to protect the human surveillance, human civilization, national interest, individual human, animal, or environment on the earth. So, according to that, we have to think like that and how we can properly handle these ethical issues with artificial intelligence. So there are so many things which is covered in this artificial intelligent ethical issues, and might be we are not totally aware about it and how we can take care of that, because it is an emerging technology nowadays, and with this technology we can achieve so many things, but we have to be in a proper way, because importance of the ethical issue in AI is need. We need to have the ethics built into the idea why a certain piece of the technology equipped with the AI is being developed. We need to monitor, check, polish the outcome of the specific piece of the technology in order to fully understand its behavior and make sure it's not violating or a human compass, means human moral compass, कि humans पे वो affect नहीं आना चाहिए. Otherwise, it would become an issue. Because ethical issue के जो areas है, वो क्या चीजें cover करता है? It covers the honesty and integrity, objectivity, confidentiality, legality, responsible publication. So all these things come under the ethical issues. And artificial intelligence के जो problem है कि might be the there is an research is going on, so many research is going on. So according to the research, top 10 potential artificial intelligence problems कौन से है? I would to address that. First problem is lack of technical knowledge. Second one is the price factor. Third one is data acquisition and storage. Fourth one is rare and expensive workforce. Fifth one, issue and responsibility. Ethical challenges, lack of computational speed, legal challenges. So these are the problems in artificial intelligence, and we are going to rely on this technology. So we have to be very careful about this कि जो ये टेक्नोलॉजी आने वाला है उसमें अगर प्रॉपरली एथिकल इश्यूज को हम हैंडल कर रहे हैं तो ये टेक्नोलॉजी ह्यूमन बेनिफिट के लिए बहुत अच्छी भी हो सकती है. एंड इफ वी आर नॉट टेक केयर ऑफ दिस टेक्नोलॉजी वेरी वेल देन इट विल क्रिएट एन chaos कि जैसे अभी highly use of the internet और अब बोल सकते हो कि highly use of the cyber space, इसकी वजह से हैकिंग, हाईजैकिंग, साइबर बुलिंग, साइबर स्टॉकिंग ये सब चीजें हो रही है. तो might be possibilities are more than that कि if we are going to rely on the machines तो क्या क्या हो सकता है. And there is another possibilities too. If we are using this technology very well, then it is uh, boosted and human power, and it creates a world more easier and safer place to live and gives in good things for human. So that is all about the ethical issues with artificial intelligence, and how we can take this issue seriously, and then we move towards this artificial intelligence technology. So if you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can put your question in below comment box. Thank you so much.